In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Hootsuite post with bullet points. First, open Hootsuite and start a new post. From your dashboard, launch the Post Composer so you're in the main editing window. This is where you'll draft your caption and see how it will look before it goes live. Give the Composer a moment to load so all formatting features are ready. If you're working on multiple tabs or accounts, make sure you're in the correct workspace to avoid publishing to the wrong place later. Next, click inside the caption or text box. You should see your text cursor blinking, which means you're ready to type. If you've already prepared your content in a document, you can paste it here. When pasting, it's a good idea to strip extra formatting so you don't bring in odd fonts or spacing. Many browsers support pasting as plain text with a keyboard shortcut. Keeping the caption clean at this stage makes the rest of the process smoother. Now type or paste your bullet points directly into the post. Keep each idea on its own line to make the list easy to scan. If you're writing from scratch, draft a short lead-in sentence, then press enter and start your first bullet. Keep the language concise and front-load keywords so the most important information appears first on mobile screens. As you write, aim for consistency in capitalization and punctuation so the list feels polished. If the platform you're posting to doesn't support automatic bullets, add them manually. You can use a simple dash followed by a space like quote tip 1 or the dot symbol e. Tip 1 again followed by a space, and pick one style and stick with it throughout the list. Maintain even spacing by adding a single space after the symbol and using one line break between bullets. If you want tighter spacing, use a soft line break to keep items grouped without creating extra gaps. Before you finalize, check the preview to make sure the spacing looks clean. Scan for wrapped lines that misalign, stray characters from pasted text, or bullets that jump to the next line. If anything looks off, return to the caption box and adjust spacing, remove extra line breaks, or replace symbols so every item lines up neatly. When you're happy with the preview, decide whether to publish now or schedule. To publish immediately, confirm and send. To schedule, choose a date and time that matches your audience's peak activity, verify the time zone, and save the schedule. That's it. Your bullet-pointed post is ready to go.